Bad man walk, Tasha. Bad man walk. That's a bad man walk? Alright, bad girl walk.
Yeah.
No, that's a bad woman walk.
Oh. But guys, I'm your girl Tasha,
And your boy Akeem.
and today we're gonna visit my father, which is Akeem grandfather at the farm today, and we're going to tell you all about it. So as soon as we reach down at the farm, we're going to come back on the video and share everything.
So remember to like,
Subscribe,
share,
comment,
and turn on that post notification so you can get
every
notified.
time we drop a video, you will be the first to know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
Alright.
if you do like this video, comment down below so we can do a next part too.
Yes, sir. Yeah, gangster. Go in your side.
Yeah,
Go in.
yeah, yeah. Come Nina, show them.
Show them, Nina. Bad woman walk, Nina. Bad woman walk. Left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left. Yo. Kasher. Nina, ya got bush. Nina.
Running down, Nina, running down.
Alright guys, you don't know, so we reach on the farm, you see it, and we have some turnip and carrot and thing, you see it. Don't know anything set. Farm well big, you see it, so. These are just which part them have some of the vegetables them and stuff, so. As soon as we reach at the next part of the farm, I couldn't know how we're going, you see it. Now we reach our part where pumpkin, you see it, big old pumpkin up on the tree, unfortunately I just wander upon it, you see it. Pumpkin tree. It's a vlog we are doing, Daddy. We want you show us something in our farm. Like, it's a vlog for YouTube channel. So, show them how you dig your man wine in your farm, and if you have your make everybody see what go on in your farm. Yeah, man. Bossy.
Nini, come. You see, Nani?
Yeah.
So guys, you can see, this is my dad,
You see it.
and he's a farmer from ever since. Hold on.
Tell them your name now, Daddy.
My name is Mansell.
I can see. Big woman. Yam, come Nini. Yam, how long the yam take to bear?
1 year.
1 year. Alright. So I want to explain to the people them who don't know what you have to do in the first place to get something big and nice like this. Yeah, you can see it.
So I am like this, how much we all this, you know? This how we about too much.
I carry about 7 pounds, 6 pounds.
How much did I get for that? No say, right now we're there at the pine field, you see it. Pure pine, every one of them are beer, you see me? You see it. You can get all $500, $600 for one of them a pine when they beer. So this is how the pine look when it's just a beer and things, you see it. Yeah man. Pure pine. Pine for days, brother. Pure pine. You see it. Tips. Don't know say we are gonna learn for dig yam
Yes.
and thing. You see it. So all who don't know how yam dig or how yam come about. You are gonna learn about it today.
On this video.
You see it? Alright, so I reach up there. I'm not gonna see it. See farm, big old yam farm, you see me gone way over so.
As far as the eye
You
can
see it? As far as the eye can see. Yam farm, you see it? You don't know, say. My grandfather place. You see it? So if you know I am for buy, just DM me on my Instagram. You see me? Yeah. So this is basically yam bank. You see it?
That's what we call it.
So yeah,
Yeah, boy.
yam hole, yeah. Mm. Yeah. So you heap it up in a one so that the yam can bear upon it.
Inside, not pan it.
Yeah, you have no beer inside.
Yeah, you make a hole in there. Cannot mean something like this. This is not. How about this? You made this look like a yam.
Yeah, man.
I'm not a
Hush
farmer.
Nina, go on there so.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
So you do it like this, a thing. And you must put it like down so. Then try and then daddy has shown me to get it right. Something like that. Alright.
I'll leave it like that.
Right, and then look here. It turn out
Yeah.
like this.
And then they weed the grass. They all weed some grass. They don't grow. You can go upstairs. You can go upstairs.
Guys, I don't know, so we get some jelly here now. Is it coconut? Kinda dark because of the lighting, but yeah. Yeah, man. Woo! So you don't know, in this ground I have banana, yam, pumpkin, cocoa, plantain, yam. I call yam already?
Yes.
Everything, you see it?
Alright, show them the planting.
So this is a plantain. It's kind of dark, but yeah. We have cane, yeah. Also have cane. Cane over there, so you see. Big old farm. And when the yam stem them grow up, you know you have to wrap them around the tree. You see it?
Just like that.
Wrap them around the yam stick, I mean.
Rock them up on one. Go for the stick. And beer them one yam. Every one of them like them one stick. Ground is very expensive.
Tell them what you have to do. Feed there and come out right. After you weed it and stick it.
I have to weed it. After me weed it,
Mm-hmm.
me dig the yam hole. After me dig the yam hole, me broke through the yam.
So basically you try to say you prepare the land first.
Yeah, me weed it
Right.
first. Yeah, and then after me dig yam hole, me broke through and then me stick it. Me
Right.
plant the yam and then me stick it.
Yes.
And after me stick it again, me leave it. Me wrap up the yam then pan the yam, make the yam then burn.
And then 30.
And then me fertilizer it and trench up it.
Right. So
And
when
leave
time
it
the
again.
rain fall,
Yeah,
you know have no the bank them no wash down, right?
yeah.
Okay. Alright, stop that thing now. And then you just wait for your hair. And then your yam ready.
Yeah.
Right, and you have what kind of yam you have different of a yellow yam? What kind of,
Now round leaf, me have maca yam.
which is the white yam, right?
Yeah, which is the white yam.
Okay. Alright,
This is white yam.
so that's called maca yam.
This one called maca yam. Different of a yellow yam.
Exactly. And tell people them how long.
Maca yam take about 6 months to come in.
Okay. And how long you're a farmer? From your baby, right?
Yeah.
Which is how long?
30 something years. You don't know 30 something. And normally when you grow up you always plant callaloo.
Yeah, catch color, ketchup.
Yeah.
Cabbage.
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 Cucumber. Things like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I love farming.
Yeah. Okay, you can make something from it.
Yeah.
So all of the people them out there think say you can't make nothing off of farming, you can. Mommy. Mommy down there so. Mommy. So guys, there you have it. There you have the farmer dad showing you all about farming. I hope you enjoy it. And if you need another part 2 of how when the yam come through and you dig it out of the ground, you can leave a comment down below. So please subscribe, share, like, hit that notification bell and tell a friend to tell a friend about Tasha and Akeem channel.